Welcome to our guide on screen recording software for tutorials. If you're creating educational videos, demos, or training content, choosing the right screen recorder is crucial. In this video, we'll review the best professional tools available to help you capture high-quality screen recordings with ease. Before we dive into specific tools, let's understand what makes a great screen recorder. First, you need high-quality output. Look for software that supports 4K resolution and high frame rates with minimal compression. Second, editing capabilities matter. Built-in trimming, annotations, and transitions save you time in post-production. Third, easy configuration is important. The software should have a simple setup process with an intuitive interface and useful presets. Finally, export options determine where your videos go. You'll want multiple format choices, cloud storage integration, and the ability to share directly to platforms like YouTube. Let's start with OBS Studio. OBS is completely free and open source, meaning it costs nothing to download and use. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. OBS is powerful because it offers 0 watermarks on your recordings. You get advanced customization options, allowing you to create complex scenes and layouts. Plus, it has an active community with tons of plugins and extensions available. The downside is that OBS doesn't have a built-in editor, so you'll need separate software to edit your videos after recording. OBS is perfect for creators who want complete control and don't mind editing separately. Camtasia is the professional all-in-one solution. It costs $99.99, but the investment pays off. What makes Camtasia special is that editing is built directly into the software. You get a powerful timeline editor included, so recording and editing happen in the same application. Camtasia comes with a rich library of templates and effects that you can use to enhance your videos. It includes cursor highlighting and zoom tools, which are incredibly useful for drawing attention to specific parts of your screen. You can also share your finished videos with one click to multiple platforms including YouTube, Vimeo, and cloud storage. Camtasia works on both Windows and Mac. ScreenFlow is the gold standard for Mac users. It costs $129.99 and is exclusive to Mac operating system. ScreenFlow is optimized natively for Mac, which means it performs beautifully on Apple computers. You can record smooth 4K video at 60 frames per second without dropping quality or slowing down your Mac. ScreenFlow includes audio mixing and editing tools, so you can clean up your audio tracks directly in the software. The interface is intuitive and designed for quick tutorials, meaning you can get started recording in seconds. If you're on a Mac and want the smoothest recording experience, ScreenFlow is worth the investment. Snagit is unique because it's a hybrid tool combining screenshots and video recording. It costs $59.99. Snagit excels at advanced capture with detailed annotations. You can highlight, draw, and add text directly to your captures. While Snagit can record videos, it's not primarily a video recorder. However, it includes quick screen recording and editing features. One powerful feature is scrolling capture, which lets you capture long web pages in a single screenshot. Snagit also includes a built-in image editor with effects, filters, and quick edits. Works on both Windows and Mac. Use Snagit if you need a versatile tool for both screenshots and quick video clips. Bandicam is designed for performance. It costs $39.99 and focuses on minimal resource usage. When you're recording, Bandicam uses very little CPU power, meaning your computer stays fast and responsive. This is especially important if you're recording complex applications or games. Bandicam provides excellent video compression without losing quality. Your files will be smaller, making them faster to upload. Bandicam handles both game recording and general screen capture. The software offers a lifetime license option, which means you can own it permanently with no recurring subscription fees. Bandicam works on Windows and Mac. Choose Bandicam if performance is your priority or if you need an affordable long-term solution. Here's a quick comparison of all 5 tools. OBS Studio is free and supports 4K, but has no built-in editor and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Camtasia costs $99.99, supports 4K, has a built-in editor, and works on Windows and Mac. ScreenFlow costs $129.99, supports 4K, has a built-in editor, but only works on Mac. Snagit costs $59.99, doesn't support 4K, has editing features, and works on Windows and Mac. Bandicam costs $39.99, supports 4K, but lacks a built-in editor, and works on Windows and Mac. Use this table to compare features and pricing based on your specific needs and budget. Choosing the right tool depends on 4 main factors. If budget is your priority, start with OBS Studio because it's free. Test it thoroughly before spending money. If you need more features, upgrade to Bandicam for a small investment. For an all-in-one solution where recording and editing happen together, choose Camtasia if you're on Windows or Mac, or ScreenFlow if you're on Mac only. If you need maximum performance because you're recording complex content or your computer has limited resources, Bandicam is your best choice due to its minimal CPU usage. If you primarily need screenshots with some video capability and want built-in editing, Snagit provides unique flexibility. Most beginners should start with OBS Studio and upgrade as their skills and requirements grow. Let's review the 4 key takeaways. First, choose based on your needs. Consider your budget, editing requirements, and what platforms you use. Second, quality output is non-negotiable. 4K resolution and proper compression ensure your tutorials look professional and credible. Third, built-in editing saves time. Tools like Camtasia speed up your workflow significantly by combining recording and editing. Fourth, start free and upgrade later. Test OBS Studio first to learn screen recording basics. Once you know your workflow, invest in premium tools that match your specific needs. Thank you for watching this guide to screen recording software. Good luck with your tutorial videos.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.